Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for more tech reviews. Today, we're taking a look at the Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 315 IRU9, a sleek and budget-friendly laptop that promises solid performance without breaking the bank. The Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 3 has a clean and minimalist look. The slim profile makes it really portable, great for those of you who need something lightweight for school, work, or travel. The chassis feels solid for the price. It does give you a nice balance between durability and portability. Processor Intel Core 5, 120U, 10-core. Graphics integrated Intel graphics. Display 15.6 FHD, 1920 by 1080, TN 250 nits anti-glare, 45% NTSC, 60 Hz display. Storage 512GB M.2 PCIe NVMe SSD. Memory 16GB soldered DDR5. Microphone 2X, array. Battery integrated 47WH. Power adapter 65W round tip, 3-pin. WLAN plus Bluetooth Wi-Fi 6. Keyboard non-backlit, English, EU. Touchpad buttonless Mylar Surface multi-touch touchpad, supports precision touchpad. Unity Systems Solutions.